Welcome to My Foodie Foods. What are you cooking in your foodie today? Well, here with My Foodie Foods, we're going to cook up some good old-fashioned Philly cheesesteak sandwiches and some French fries. So I have some boneless beef here. I'm going to saute it in the Ninja Foodi on Sear, along with some peppers, red, green, and yellow, orange. Doing those first. Going to add the meat after I sear it, probably, I don't know, 7-8 minutes, playing it by ear here. I will then change my lid tops, and then I will pressure cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes, just kind of depends. That's just to get the vegetables and the meat extra tender. I'll then take it out and then cut the meat immediately, and we'll be eating some sandwiches. While that's going, so that I can use this one at one time, I will be cooking some French fries in the second foodie. So that's what we're doing today. Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. Okay, so I have the boneless beef in the foodie, as well as the onions, the 3 bell peppers, some kosher salt, and some oregano seasoning. Like I said, I'm going to sear this until brown. So far it's been about 6 minutes on one side. I'll do the other side, and then I will close the lid, add some seasoning. More than likely on my liquid, I'm going to add some broth, some beef broth, just so I can keep the flavor. I don't want to add water, it's going to dilute it. Then I'll pressure cook it, and I'll go from there. See how the pressure cook does, and if I need to be an air fryer for a second to give it kind of a crisp. It's just going to depend on how tender it is after pressure cooking. Okay, I just added my bone beef broth. Now I'm getting ready to close this lid and place it on pressure cook. Going to do pressure cook for maybe 5 minutes because the meat is pretty much tender. I don't want it to get breakable, but I do want it to be shreddable. So, I don't want it mushy. So I'm going to try 5 minutes, and after that, I might then drain the juice and then do an air fry. We shall see. So we're going to pressure 5 minutes. Turn your lid, and let's press start. That's it. So I have taken the beef out. I've cut it into strips, as you can see, for the Philly cheesesteak. And it is tender, but I would like the beef to be a little bit more tender. So I'm going to do an air crisp or an air fry, whichever way you like to say it. I say air crisp because that's what the button states. For about 5 minutes. I'm going to check on it here. Then I think it'll be good to go at that point.